Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's me, Nelly, and today I'm showing you guys how I make chicken Francese. You guys, this recipe is so delicious. The chicken was literally, it's so tender, y'all. So let's get started with this recipe. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is take your chicken breast, and I'm slicing mine in half lengthways to make it thinner. Then I didn't show it in the video, but what I did next was pound the chicken using a mallet to make it pretty flat and thin. Okay, you want the chicken's cutlets to be very flat, so use the mallet and pound it. After you do that, you're gonna season it up. So the seasonings I used was onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and ground cumin, and you want to season both sides of the chicken. Okay, so next I have two bowls. One bowl have just flour that I'm gonna dredge the chicken in, and the second bowl has eggs. So I beat about 4 eggs and I have them in that bowl. And what you're gonna do is take the chicken cutlets and dip it into the flour first, you guys. Flour first, and then you dip it into the egg mixture. Make sure it's fully coated, and then you're gonna get your frying pan over medium heat. I added a little bit of olive oil, and you're gonna pan fry the chicken cutlets on both sides. You want both sides to be golden brown. It do not have to be fully cooked at this step, okay? And you're gonna do that to all of the cutlets. Do this in batches if you have to, so because you don't want to overcrowd the pan when you're frying. Okay, so the next step, you guys, is to start making the sauce. So using that same pan we fried the chicken in, I just removed the oil. I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm adding minced garlic and some diced up onions. Next, I added in some chicken broth, a little bit of lemon juice, and some white wine. Okay, I also added a little bit of green seasoning. That one is totally optional, but I added it just to boost the flavor a little bit. And you're gonna let that come to a simmer. Give it a mix and let it come to a simmer. Once the sauce starts to simmer, you're gonna add back the pieces of chicken into the sauce, and you're gonna let that cook for 5 to 10 minutes until your chicken is fully cooked. Okay, once the chicken is cooked, I like to add some lemon slices on top of it. I don't like adding the lemon slices before, because I feel like when you add lemon slices or pieces of lemon in your food to cook, and you cook it with it gives it like this bitter taste that I don't like. Okay, so I just add it on top once it's done, and sprinkle in some fresh parsley, and that's it, you guys. That's it. That's how I make chicken Francese. I served this with some asparagus. For the asparagus, it's really simple. I added it in the pot, added a few tablespoons of butter, seasoned it with my all-purpose seasoning blend. You can use any all-purpose seasoning blend, or just substitute onion and garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Added a little bit of water, like 1/4 of a cup of water or 1/3 of a cup. Let it steam until it's cooked the way you like your asparagus, and then you serve it with the chicken and some white rice, and that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.